His Excellency Makoto Iori, Minister for Economic Affairs and the Diplomatic Corps of the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines. Batangas Governor, Honorable Hermirando Mandanas, representative from FDA, PESA, and the government offices, members of the local government units, colleagues, distinguished guests and friends, good morning. It is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all to the grand inauguration of the Nippon Premium Bakery. Today is a special day for the entire members and staff of Nippon Premium Bakery, for we mark the official opening of our factory. Nippon Premium Bakery, a manufacturing and wholesaler of Japanese bakery products, established in year 2017, is now venturing in this wonderful town of St. Thomas, Batangas. Nippon Premium Bakery ensures the best taste, texture, and quality in each product produced that has perfected the Japanese method of making loaf and snack breads, backed by our company's roots in Japanese baking for over 70 years. Our brand image represents a cheerful face from Fuwa-chan, where it shows an emotive promise of bringing smiles to everyone in every bite of our Fuwa Fuwa bread. Fuwa Fuwa, a Japanese term that means fluffy, is our bread brand for consumers who put premium quality and taste for their preference for loaf and snack breads. Each product of Nippon Premium Bakery signals health and happiness and offers nutritious feeling and satisfying taste of a true Japanese bread. For us, this NPB factory is more than a financial investment. We are investing as well for the people because we believe that our most vital assets are our employees. At present, we employ about 100 people at this company. In total, 300 people will be employed here and in the near future. We will expand our brand nationwide. This vision of studying a Japanese bread manufacturing and possibly cater the market demands on Japanese-style bread in the Philippines will not be possible without the unwavering backing and encouragement of our stockholders, Sojitz Corporation, JR&R Distributors, and Ryoyu Baking Company Limited. And also, we sincerely value the companies and people who have supported and had been part of this journey, Taisei Philippine Construction, for the incomparable workmanship to building and completing our plant facility, Oshikiri Machinery Limited, for the outstanding expertise to setting up our equipment and training our people. Also, there are more. This event that brought us together may renew our relationship, strengthen friendship, and ponder on our skills and crafts that enhance the practice of our profession. Our advancement is a must, and the expectation of flexibility, enhancement, and adaptability to new strategies, crafts, and endeavors in our field of profession plays an important role. Nippon Premium Bakery is faithful to its commitment in giving a delightful fun, fresh lifestyle, unwavering passion, and inspired creation for good food. In bringing goodness at your best every day, because Filipinos deserve a taste of Japan. Again, good morning and thank you very much.